So here's a quick video on how I have my Milwaukee Packout set up for my drill bits. These were printed, 3D printed cases. Anyway, see my countersink with the drill bits in it. These 3D printed case thing that I got, it's not the best. As you can see, some of the parts, some of the bits still comes out, but got my oddball ones, hex head, the ones with the holes, square, number 3s, different size flatheads, stars. And here I switched out the Milwaukee bits because they fucking suck. See how short it is? And I put in the Ryobi ones because you look at the height difference. Now I be wanting to drill through a 2x4 and at least make it through the other side. Look at these little baby penis drill bits. Anyway, and it don't even come with a 1/2 inch. So I just bought a Ryobi one that comes with all the long bits, and I swapped it out, put them in here. Like I said, the Milwaukee don't even come with a 1/2 inch, so there's my 1/2 inch. These I'll just use as backup, put it up somewhere. And then I also have my collar ties in here. This one I got my paddle bits and my little hard to reach DeWalt fits nice in here. And I also have a extension Phillip. Never know when you need that. And the paddle bits go from 1.5 inches all the way down to, what is this, 1/4 inch. And as you can see, it fits perfect in here. This has like everything that I would need as far as for the drill. Then I also have this on the side where I hook it on to here, and that's how I keep that. Another thing, how the hell you make drawers and then only make the goddamn dividers to go this way? What if you have long items like this? You can't even put them in here. So make these goddamn dividers, Milwaukee. I made this out of damn MDF type wood. So that's my 2 cents on Milwaukee crap. Give it a thumbs up, like, peace, subscribe.